Today we are going to see a basic Arduino program. A basic Arduino program consists of two parts. The first part is called a setup function. The second part is called loop function. Okay? What is the job of a setup function? Whatever you want the genie to execute only once, I put it here. Whatever I put inside the loop part, the genie will execute indefinitely. Indefinitely means what? Till you put off the power. So if you want the genie to execute multiple number of times again and again over and over, then I would put in the loop section. If you want the genie to execute only once, then I will put it in the setup area. So that is the first job, basic Arduino. So connecting your IDE means you take this Arduino board and then interface with your computer via USB. So here is my USB connector. You take a USB cable. So one end of the cable goes to the PC side or the laptop side. The other end of the cable is to be connected to the board. So once you connect that, just like that, your laptop detects your pen drive or any thumb drive, this board would be automatically detected by the operating system. That is the first part, connecting your board with the PC or laptop. That is step one. Step two, we have to program the microcontroller. So for programming the microcontroller, you need to have the integrated development environment or ID. This is a platform where we develop code for the Arduino. So this you can download from the Arduino website. Just go to your simply type Arduino in the Google. So it will take you to arduino.cc. So that is your Arduino website. In this, you can go to download section and then you can download all your software. So for Windows version, you can get the Windows version of that. So once you click download, you can directly download the Arduino IDE. So that is pretty straightforward way of downloading it. So you download that and then install it in the PC. I have already installed it. So if you install it and if you close this, this is the standard Arduino page. So you can go to file, so click new, it will land you in a new file. So you can see that by default, the Arduino gives you the two important functions, namely the setup function and the loop function. So they have given you the comment also. Put your code to run only once. Whatever you want the Arduino to run only once, you put it here. Put your main code here to run repeatedly. Whatever you want the microcontroller to do independently or invariably, you put it here. So that's how it is. Apart from that, we need to do some settings here. So what are the important settings that we need to do? You have to go to tools. In the tools, you have to first select the communication port. Communication port means where exactly this board is connected to your computer. So by default, it is showing COM3. For your computer, it may show something else. So how do I know where exactly it is connected? For that, you need to go to your computer, so go to properties, and you go to device manager. The device manager, you have options for USB. The USB, now we are not having any board connected to this. Once you have the board connected to this laptop, you can see the connection here. So that connection we have to intimate it. Typically COM1 or COM2 or COM3, depending upon the type of your communication port, it will appear here. So where exactly the board is connected, that part you have to intimate it here. So that is one thing. So once you do that, the second part is you have to select the type of the board. So there are different varieties of board. What we are using is Arduino Uno. Okay, so that is the second thing. First thing you select the communication port or serial port. The second one is the uh, type of the board. So once you do these two, the third thing is you can start programming your Arduino. So that is what it is. Let's do some exercises this class and familiarize ourselves how to use this board. Problem one. I have two LEDs in this board. These two LEDs. LED 1 is connected to pin 13, digital pin 13. LED 2 is connected to pin 12. So in the first problem, I want LED 1, 13th pin, to blink, go on and off at 1 second interval. 1 second it has to go on and 1 second it has to go off. So the first thing I do is go to File, then Save. Click Save. So I create a new folder called Blink, and then click Save. So as usual, we have the setup function, we have the loop function. In the setup function, I want pin 13 to be configured as output. So in mode, 13th pin is configured as output. Then in the loop function, I blink 13th pin on and off. So digital write, 13th pin is written with a high. Then you call a delay function. Then digital again write, 13th pin with a low. Then I call a delay. So I call digital write function. 13th pin I write it as high and then wait for 1 second. 13th pin I make it low and then I wait for another second. So you go to tools in the port. By default it is showing as COM3 because that is the board communication port that is connected to this laptop. So for your laptop it may be something else. So see what is that, and in the board choose that as Arduino Uno. That is the default. So in the top left corner you have the option for uploading, the second button. So I click that. So once your board is programmed, then you can see that the LED is blinking. Whether you are able to see this output on the other side. What we will do, we will reduce the time period. So instead of 1 second, I will give 100 milliseconds. It is a matter of a single button click. So the new source code will be download, and then the source code will change itself with a new code. So this is 100 millisecond. 100 millisecond is 1/10 of a second. Now I increase the delay. So instead of 1000, instead of this is 2 second on and 2 second off. Okay.